Ready for a cool adventure?
Let's go! We're in the town of Thun. It's a gorgeous little town. It's well known for its castle. It's known for, of course, the river Aare, which runs through it. What's very, very beautiful in Thun is all these bridges over the Aare. Breathtaking. Here you go! Oh my god, they're surfing! It's so freaking cool! I think elsewhere it might have been forbidden, but here, I guess not. I think I'm the only one holding to the middle bar. Seriously. I'm a little bit scared. For the sake of images, I can do it. This is a super romantic city. It really is. It really reminds me of the city of Bruges in Belgium. The water and the beautiful buildings and the authenticity. Very particular architecture, very beautiful aesthetics. It's definitely one of my top cities. 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐤 is just gorgeous. Trying to catch sunset, so I better hurry up. This is definitely one of the most beautiful days in Switzerland. Sunset is always a beautiful, beautiful way to end an episode in a gorgeous city. I saw some really cool stuff. I think the highlight was the surfing. Wild. So anyway, Thun, I give you thumbs up. You nailed it as a city. Bye!